Hi, this is Ryan from Exponential Bet. I'm just going to show you very briefly how to place a Dutch bet using Betfair itself and the BSP Multiples, which stands for Betfair Starting Price Multiples. So you can see we're already on the exchange. I'm just going to go over here and click BSP Multiples. Now it's near the end of the day, so there's not many races available. We've got one left to run in Newcastle, and most of it's already ran, so I think we're up to, we've got 7:45 left, and these are the 3 races remaining. If we look at this last race, for example, you can see straight away, clicking across here, you've got the horses and just tick boxes available for you to choose which horses in each race you'd like to select. So if I go for the 9:15, say I would like to choose these 3 horses in the race. So it's as simple as choosing the horses you want to Dutch in that race. So I'm choosing 3 horses for an equal payout, which is a Dutch bet. So if any of these 3 horses go on to win, I will get a level stake, a level return, for this bet. So if I was to put on £100, at this moment in time, it's saying I'd get £48.11p. So 48% return on my investment from £100 if either of these 3 horses were to go on to win. Now you can see there's no calculating involved. I didn't have to calculate the stake per horse. Automatically does that for you. Now this is saying at the moment it's £48.11p, but come race time the horses may contract in value. They may go up in value. One of these horses may move in, pushing the odds of these horses up, which will give us more value on the bet, because it's a starting price that we're going to accept on this bet. And so it's a Betfair starting price multiple bet. So you can choose one race in this should you wish, and that will give you £48.11p return. But the great thing about BSP multiples is that you can actually make it into a multiple. So you have a Dutch bet here that we'd like to place, for example, and say we have an interest in this race and we'd like to choose these horses as well. We'd like to Dutch them. We'd like to make a Dutch bet out of these horses too. Put this one in. Say we've got an interest in this race and we'd like to include these horses. So we can place these quite easily as 3 individual single Dutch bets, and we can view the projected win. Now it doesn't give you the projected win per race. There is a bit of a downside to it, but it gives you the total projected win for the stake of £300, and the potential win there will be £116.65 at this projection period of time, because it is a BSP bet. So say for example we were very confident about our bet, and instead of having it as singles, we can actually place that as a treble. So that then becomes a Dutching multiple bet, a Dutch multiple. View projected win, and you can see there you get a slightly higher return because you get the accumulated odds for your £100, and that means that all of these horses in all of these races selected need to win, otherwise you'd lose your £100. But if they did win, you could make £162.25. Now as you can see, there is a benefit to using this because it does manage the bet for non-runners, and you have got the option to use it as a multiple bet, and it's very quick. You just step in there, select your horses, tick tick tick, and you can place your bet. Okay, I hope that helps, gives you an idea how to use the BSP multiple section to place a Dutch bet. Thanks very much.